Merge two videos on your iPhone. First, open the iMovie app on your device. At the bottom, tap on Movie. Now, select the video clips you want to combine. Once you've picked them, tap Create Movie at the bottom. To add more clips, hit the plus icon. You can choose from your camera roll or any other folder on your phone. Once the clips are imported, you can drag and drop them into the order you want. The app gives you options to trim, add transitions between clips, or even adjust the speed of the clips. After making the necessary edits, tap the play button to preview the video. Then, in the top left corner, tap Done. At the bottom, select the share icon, and then tap Save or Share Video. Next, tap Save to Files. The video will be exported. Choose a folder and then tap Save. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech videos.